On October 13th, Eastern Florida State College celebrated the grand opening of its new Center for Innovative Technology Education at the Melbourne Campus.
Today is a momentous occasion. We celebrate the grand opening of our new Center for Innovative Technology Education. Now, this building is more than just a structure of steel, glass, and stone. It's a symbol of progress, promise, and the real power of education to transform lives.
College and civic leaders hailed the opening as a major advancement in high-tech education that will set a new regional standard. The $20 million, 31,500 square foot facility will host programs leading to bachelor's degrees, associate degrees, and college certificates in fields such as business, engineering technology, cybersecurity, drafting, graphics, and computer science. President Ritchie expressed gratitude to the college's Board of Trustees for their leadership and support and gave special recognition to the lawmakers who helped make this center a reality.